Hey, and welcome to page 3 notes, motion notes. We started this yesterday, and now we're going to finish quickly. So here we have a motion diagram. A motion diagram is a picture that shows you where things were every second. So each second, we put another dot wherever the object was. So here on the far left-hand side of the screen, we got second 0. And then the ball moved forward just a little bit. And then for second 2, it had gone further than that, and then further than that, and then further than that. With each subsequent second, it went forward. Now, just like the marks that we put on the ground with the buggy, remember how we did the dots at the back wheel every second? We can now measure these positions as well. We can see that the ball, whatever this is, started at 0 seconds at 0 meters, and then it moved forward to 0.5 meters at the 1 second mark. It was at positive 1.5 meters at the 2 second mark, positive 3 meters at the 3 second mark, and positive 5 meters at the 4 second mark. We can now take these positions, and we can use them to find our displacements. Remember that displacement is the change in position. But first, a little analysis. So, I see my dots moving to the right. That tells me that the object is moving to the right. I know it's going to the right because 0 seconds is on the left. 4 seconds is on the right. Sorry, from your perspective, other way around. 0 seconds, 4 seconds. And the dots are getting further apart, which means that each second, it goes further than in the last second. This object's getting faster and faster and faster as it rolls forward. All right, now we can find displacements. Bam! So if we measure between second 0 and second 1, we can get a displacement. From second 1 to second 2, we can get a displacement. 2 to 3, 3 to 4. Those displacements are this. We can see that the displacements are also changing. The displacement was positive 0.5 meters, but then it went up to positive 1. Then it went up to positive 1.5, and then up to positive 2. Interesting. Now, I can take that data and just turn it into a table. I got my position, I got my time. I just literally took what's on this, and I put it in a table instead. I got my times and those positions. And now I can turn it into a graph. Notice that time is on the horizontal here, and position is on the vertical. And I'm just going to put my dots. 0 seconds, 0 meters. That would be there-ish. And make sure you can see. There-ish. And then I can go over to 1 second and go up to 0.5 meters and put another dot. And then over to 2 seconds and 1.5 meters and put a dot. In 3 seconds and 3 meters and put a dot. And then 4 seconds and up to 5 meters and put a dot. Oh, now it's angry at me. There we go. So if I make this graph and then I connect those dots with a curve, I can actually keep that curve going. And what that does is it lets me predict the future. We stopped measuring at second 4. But here, my blue dot, I can predict where it's going to be at that second. I don't know. I didn't measure it. But using this pattern, I can figure it out anyway. All right, now to clarify, anything you saw on one of these slides is something that's supposed to be in your notes. So go over the video again, hit pause a bunch, copy stuff down. Good job. You survived one full lecture.